Hello there, Tiger owners and trophy owners. Everyone who's got a 1215cc inline triple from Triumph. Anyway, my bike, I always called it a bag of hammers. It sounded like there was a bag of hammers in my bike all the time. Anyway, it developed an oil leak that manifested itself on the side stand. It left a little puddle, and so I started tracing the oil leak down, and it seemed to be coming from the alternator here. It's a Nippon Denso unit. Anyway, the bearings seem to be in really beautiful shape here on the surface until you take it, put it on the end, and then you start to wiggle it. Yeah, it's hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. See if I can prop it up for you. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Look how much movement there is in the shaft. Anyway, this is what I think I was hearing. The AKA bag of hammers. That sound of the thing slopping away at idle. I think that's what the problem is. Anyway, I'm sitting back waiting now for a replacement alternator unit. I looked on the forums and I saw there was some guy in Brazil who would actually machine and bush the front bearing. But at this point, I'm going to just go for a new one. Anyway, just wanted to let everyone know. Yeah, it's kind of, people did know some of these things did have kind of bearing issues. So, hey, nothing that an injection of way too much money can't solve. Take care.